Today's topic is update a list of tuples using another list. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. First method is a basic approach and the second is using a default dictionary method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. First, we are going to create a function named update in which we are going to pass the list 1 and the list 2. After that, we are converting our list 1 into the dictionary and storing those values in the dictionary. And after storing those values and converting the list 1 into the dictionary, we are converting list 2 again into the dictionary, and we are updating the values of the dictionary 1 with the dictionary 2. That means the list 2 after converting them in the dictionary. And after updating those values in our dictionary, we are returning those dictionary in the form of a list. As you can see it over here, our list 1 and list 2 comprises of a perspective elements and their updated values, and after printing those out we get an A as a 10 in which it had 5 in the tuple of the list 1, it got updated to 10. Same goes for C, which was a 25 and it got 20 updated value, and E, which had a 45 value, it got updated to the 30.